Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can place roofs as well as floors manually on Bloxburg. Select the house and go to build mode. Go to build and we're going to start with the walls first so you guys can see. I'll just create this like random shape, and to manually add a floor, go to floor here and then select this button. Then you're just going to kind of like go around the edges, then right click to fill it in. Same with the roofs, so go to roof, select the one you want. Only like flat roof can be like placed on this. Select automatic placement and then select that, right click, and then that's it. That's how you can manually add it. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.